Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload a picture of an exercise or a math problem from your gallery to the Photomath application to solve it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this photo icon down below, and after that select a picture including your math problem. Then you should position the exercise into this frame, so you should make sure that the whole exercise is included. Then tap on the solve button down below. As you can see, here is the solution, so the solving steps can be checked out by clicking on this red button in the middle of the screen. Here you can check out the steps explained, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.